How to recover WhatsApp View Once photo. So for everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily recover your WhatsApp's View Once photo. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your WhatsApp chats, and here if you get a View Once photo like this, you can just open it and tap on the photo to open up the photo. And once you open your View Once photo, the photo is expired and you will not be able to view it anymore. Then all you have to do is tap on the settings, and once you open up your settings, go to chats and then chat backup. Now back up all of your chats here, and once you make sure that you've backed up all of your chats, all you have to do now is just wait for the backup to be complete. And once that is done, you have to open up your file manager. And once you get to your file manager, you just have to locate your Android folder. And on Android, you will see this com.whatsapp application. So you can just rename it once. So go ahead and rename this folder. So I'm just going to remove this O and rename this folder like this. And once you do that, all you have to do now is just uninstall your WhatsApp application and then reinstall it, and make sure to log into your account. After you do that, you again go ahead and open up this folder, go to Androids, and then com.whatsapp, and all of the photos that you have deleted or the expired photo will be here on your folder. So if you found this helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.